I had never seen one of these foldable hair dryers before, so I figured I'd grab one and check it out and show it to you guys. So I already went ahead and plugged it in. So this is obviously how you travel with it, but let's see what it looks like and how it works unfolded. So to unfold it, it literally just rotates around and voila. And apparently both the attachments are magnetic, and that's a diffuser, and that's just a regular one. That's pretty cool. And the diffuser as well. It does have 3 different settings. There's a cool and 2 different hot settings. And I thought this would be convenient for me just because I have daughters, and traveling with daughters, you always need an extra hair dryer. So foldable one would be probably the best option for me. So I did include it in the link down here if you guys want to check it out.